What are telomeres? Humans undergo cell division to maintain life, in other words, youth. At this time, DNA also undergoes cell division. And telomeres are what protects the ends of DNA strands so that they are not damaged. Telomeres become shorter and shorter as they undergo cell division. When they reach the limit, cell division stops, and this causes rapid aging. Therefore, the length of telomeres is a key factor in aging. Professor Elizabeth Blackburn, who discovered telomeres, received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 2009. NAD is a substance that can help to protect telomeres and preserve their length. There are precursors to NAD, which are NR, NMN, and niacin, also known as vitamin B3, which activate NAD. Being able to consume or topically apply NR, NMN, and niacin results in increased NAD, and increased NAD results in protecting the key to aging, the length of telomeres.